Hi, welcome to part 2 of Introduction to PlayCanvas, where we're going to talk about materials. In the last video, we added a box to the scene for our ground. In this video, we'll upload some texture assets and add a new material to the ground. All the assets for this video series are available from our developer site, and I'll put a link to the page in the comments for this video. Here are the 3 textures we'll need. To upload assets, we simply drag and drop the textures from our computer into the asset panel in the editor. The textures are uploaded and processed by the server. Next, we need to create a new material asset. We do that using the New Asset button and selecting New Material. We can edit the material by selecting it in the asset panel. I'll change the name to make it easier to track. Now, we need to apply the material to the box entity that we made in the last tutorial. Click on the box to select it, and you can see the empty material slot in the Properties panel. Click on the empty slot and select the material to apply it to the box. Now we'd like to set the textures on the new material. First, the diffuse map, which defines the color of the material. Just drag the texture from the asset panel to the slot. Next, the specular map, which defines how shiny the material is. In this case, the specular is quite high in the texture, so I'm applying a tint to scale it down. And finally, the normal map, which defines how bumpy the material is. The last edit to make to the material is to set the tiling. I'm going to tile the texture 20 times in both the X and Y direction. And now you can see the material applied to our ground entity.